Hello everyone, welcome back to TalkEasy English, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hey there, English explorers. It's David here. And today we're talking about one of my favorite topics in the world, vacations.
Oh yes, vacations. The time when we forget about work, eat too much ice cream, and take way too many selfies.
Laugh guilty. But before we start, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share this video with your travel-loving friends.
Because today's episode will help you learn real English conversation phrases you can use when talking about vacations.
All right. Grab your imaginary sunglasses because we're going on a verbal vacation.
So, David, what comes to your mind when you hear the word vacation?
Sunshine, the beach, and not checking emails for a week.
Same here. For me, it's sleeping in, exploring new places, and ordering room service.
Nice. Today we'll talk about 4 kinds of vacations. 1, the beach vacation. 2, the mountain adventure. 3, the city escape. And 4, the staycation, my personal favorite because it's cheap.
You're right. And we'll also learn useful English phrases for each type, so let's start with the beach. The beach, where you can relax, swim, and forget about your problems.
Or get sunburned if you forget sunscreen.
True. So here are some phrases you can use at the beach. Phrase 1, let's go for a swim. Phrase 2, don't forget the sunscreen. Phrase 3, let's build a sandcastle. Phrase 4, the water feels amazing.
Those are perfect. You can also say, let's take a walk along the shore. I'm going to sunbathe for a bit.
David, what do you usually pack for a beach trip?
Easy. Sunglasses, shorts, a towel, and snacks.
Always snacks. I also pack a hat and flip-flops.
Classic beach style.
So remember, at the beach, use words like swim, sand, sun, and waves. They make your English sound more natural.
Okay, time to climb higher, literally.
Mountains are perfect if you like fresh air and quiet moments.
So what can we say on a mountain trip?
Try these. Phrase 1, let's go hiking. Phrase 2, the view is breathtaking. Phrase 3, don't forget your jacket. Phrase 4, let's take a photo of this view.
I love that one. You can also say, let's sit and enjoy the view.
It's peaceful in the mountains. You can hear the birds, the wind, and your thoughts.
And maybe your stomach growling if you forget snacks.
True. Always pack snacks. That's an important English tip and a life tip.
Exactly. So, mountains give us peace, exercise, and amazing pictures.
Now let's head to the city.
Ah, cities. Full of lights, food, and shopping temptations.
Definitely. City vacations are great for people who love exploring culture.
Here are some common English phrases for city trips. Phrase 1, let's visit a museum. Phrase 2, where's the nearest subway station? Phrase 3, let's try local food. Phrase 4, can you take a picture of us?
And don't forget, in big cities, people often say things like, it's so crowded today. Let's grab a coffee. Coffee.
Ooh, my favorite phrase. I love grabbing coffee in new cities.
I know you do.
So the city gives you energy, entertainment, and endless photo ops.
It's like the opposite of the mountains, but still fun in its own way.
Now let's talk about something I truly love, the staycation.
That's when you stay home but still take a break.
Exactly. You don't travel, but you rest, read, watch movies, and eat whatever you want.
My kind of vacation.
So here are some phrases for that. Phrase 1, I'm taking a break at home. Phrase 2, let's have a movie marathon. Phrase 3, I finally have time to relax.
You can also say, I'm recharging my batteries. It means you're resting and gaining energy again.
Love that. A staycation is great for your wallet and your mental health.
So we know where to go. Now let's talk about how we get there.
You can travel by car, train, bus, or plane.
What's your favorite way to travel, David?
By plane. I love watching the clouds from the window.
I prefer the car. Road trips mean snacks and singing loudly.
Okay, true. Here are some travel phrases. Phrase 1. Our flight is delayed. Phrase 2. Let's stop for a snack. Phrase 3. I have to pack my bags. Phrase 4. Don't forget your passport.
Those are great for your next trip or your next English conversation.
All right, Sarah. Let's dream a little. What's your dream vacation?
I'd love to see the Northern Lights in Iceland. It looks so magical.
Wow, I'd go for Italy. For the food, of course. Pizza, pasta, gelato.
You and your food. But that's what's great about vacations. Everyone has their own dream.
So, listeners, what about you? Where would you love to go? Tell us in the comments below.
Let's quickly review today's key phrases. Beach vacation. Let's go for a swim. Don't forget the sunscreen.
Mountain vacation. Let's go hiking. The view is breathtaking.
City vacation. Let's visit a museum. Let's grab a coffee.
Staycation. I'm taking a break at home. Let's have a movie marathon.
Travel. Don't forget your passport. Our flight is delayed.
Nice work, everyone. You've learned how to talk about vacations naturally in English.
Thank you for learning with us today on TalkEasy English, where learning English is easy and fun.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you enjoyed traveling with us.
And tell us in the comments, where is your dream vacation?
Maybe we'll see you there, speaking perfect English.
Until next time.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep talking easy.